This is a 1TB SSD, super small, super compact, works with Mac, Windows, iOS and Android, and it has 1TB of storage in it, which is crazy. If you're interested in purchasing it, link to buy will be down below at joybuy.com, and this is the Digiera SSD. Stay tuned, we're going to check it out and see how good it is and see if it's actually good at reading and writing. Oh, and before we get started on the video, it's also got MagSafe technology, so you can be sure that it's also safe and secure. Hey everyone, today I'm excited to share Joybuy, your one-stop European all-category online shopping platform. Whether you're hunting for electronics, tech or more, Joybuy delivers excellent value with competitive prices and fast European delivery as early as the next day. So check out the link below in the description for Joybuy, and that's where I got this Digiera SSD from as well. So today in this video we're going to have a look at the Rexsun Digiera LPS2000M. That's quite a bit of a long word there, but basically what it is, it's a compact and high-speed portable SSD which is designed for seamless data transfer and storage. So it's meant to be a sleek design with magnetic attachment, which makes it an easy and ideal companion. If you're a content creator or you're a professional on the go, you can just slap this on the back of your iPhone that has MagSafe, or even an Android phone. You can stick on a magnetic ring, literally just like so, and you can attach it to that as well. So it does come with some magnetic rings as well. So that's one of the coolest things about this, is that it has the magnetic attachment, so you can securely attach it on the back of your phone, your laptop, wherever you want to put it. I mean, it's just a magnet. And it makes sure it keeps it safe as well and easy to transfer and carry around with you. This is the box over here. We've got Digiera 1TB portable SSD, up to 2000 megabytes of read and 1800 megabytes a second write speed, which is amazing. It does come with limited 3-year warranty as well, which is good to know. Not much else around the box, to be honest with you. Got a few bits of information over here, but nothing really too interesting. Cool. Let's go ahead and let's unbox this, shall we? It's a bit of a tight box. There we go. So there we go. You can see we come introduced straight with our user manual and a magnetic ring. It is a black magnetic ring, which is nice. Most phones have cases that are black anyway, most people, and even if it's not black, black cases normally go well. We've got our USB Type-C to Type-C noodle cable as well, so this is our high-speed data transfer cables, which is really nice. And then we've got on the back over here, this is our actual SSD. We've got our USB Type-C port on here, really nice and slim, glossy silver finish and like a glossy plastic on top. We've got Digiera on top as well. Got the capacity on the bottom over here, the model number, and some legal stamps and logos which need to be in there. And that's literally all it is. There's nothing else in here. That's empty now, look. Crazy to think a 1TB SSD can be fitted in here. You do of course get a little carry bag as well to keep the SSD safe, keep your hard drive safe, but it's crazy to think that you get 1TB in such a tiny little thing these days, and it can just slap onto the back of your phone so easy, literally just like so, and it's just nice and safe and secure, and it's not going anywhere. Love that. So we're going to go ahead and check it out, see how quick you can transfer stuff over, and how much if you can like watch videos through the actual SSD itself, and how quick it loads and how smooth it is. So let's see if it's any good as well. If you're going to set it up on iPhone and set it up on your Android phone, definitely follow the manual. It does go through on how to set it up on iPhone and Android phones. But let's go ahead and let's clean all this up and let's have a look at the actual device. So I've tidied it all up, and here we have the two main products that you actually need. We do have a protective film on here as well, which I'm going to go ahead and peel because I love a satisfying peel. Love that. Really nice gloss finish on this actually. It looks really, really good. And I'm just so amazed at how compact and small this is. It's actually insane. So it's 58 millimeters in diameter and only 11.8 millimeters in thickness as well, which is crazy. So it's super, super portable and really compact, which is really nice to know. I love a portable and compact SSD. I mean, to think back in the day, about like good 15, 20, 15, like 10, 15 years ago, I remember when I was little, I used to have a 1 terabyte hard drive, which was huge. It was like this big, and it had like an external power supply, and you'd have to carry around, and it was so heavy as well. So the fact that it's come to this is crazy, and the fact that this is compatible with like iOS, Android, Windows, Mac OS, it's insane. This is the 1 terabyte version, so if you do want other sizes, they do come in 512 gigabytes and 2 terabytes of capacity as well. And who knows, in the future they may even release even more. But what's impressive about it as well is the high speed performance, which is the read speeds up to 2000 megabytes and the write speeds are up to 1800 megabytes a second, which is really impressive actually. And let's just see if it's actually, you know, all the talk, or if it actually can perform quite well. For your everyday usage, really, you're just gonna slap it behind on the back of your phone, really. So I'm going to go ahead and connect it up into my iPhone. So I've already set it up following the manual on how you can do so. So you just simply plug in your USB-C cable like so. Actually, I'm going to plug it in the other way because it bends the perfect way for my phone after. And you literally just attach it to the back like so. I've stuck the ring on because I've got a case on my phone, so the MagSafe ring isn't strong enough even for my car mounts that I use. So I always like to stick another extra ring on the back just to make it strong. You can see over here it's flashing now, so you've got the Digiera logo just flashing over there, which means it's just booting up, and then when it stops flashing it means it's ready to go. And if we go on to browse, we see over here our hard drive, Digiera. There we go. I've loaded some files up on here already, so I want to see how quick it can play it. So we got 1.72 gigabyte video file here and a 227 megabyte video file here as well. And just want to see how it manages to load it up and how it can do. So I downloaded these videos off YouTube. One's actually my one, and this is playing directly off the SSD. And you can see it's flashing, which means it is currently doing the reading. And it's pretty good. This is my video of the Xiaomi 15T. You can see here it's managing to load it pretty quick with no issues. Even if I skip it, yeah, really good. So it can load, it can read files really well. Next test I want to do is transferring out. So transferring this into my phone and then transferring it back from my phone into the actual SSD. Let's see how it performs then. So I've gone ahead and selected the two files. So that's 1.7 gigs and 227 megabytes. So altogether roughly 1.92 gigabytes worth of files. I'm going to move this to a new folder. So if I go, is it this one? Yes. I'm going to move it to the Digiera test files folder. And then we'll see how long. So you can see it's flashing because it is doing something. And then we can see here how long it takes for it to copy the items out of the hard drive into the actual phone memory. And you can see 1.95 gigs, 28 seconds, 27 seconds, 25 seconds. So I'm going to leave the camera rolling so you guys can actually see it as well. I'm not going to cut it or edit it or anything like that. We'll see how quick it can transfer out of the SSD into the actual phone memory, and then we're going to do it vice versa. So 10 seconds, 5 seconds left, and it's done 1.87 already. There you go, that's gone. So we'll delete it out of here. We'll delete this file and delete this file. And then if you go onto my phone, make sure it's there. Boom, it's there. So now let's try and move it out of my phone storage and into the SSD. That was actually really impressive. That was actually really quick. That's 2 gigabytes worth of file there. Like 2 gigabytes normally takes quite a bit of time. So the fact that it was that quick is impressive. If I go and select this now, and we now move this to the Digiera SSD. Oh, we'll just copy it. Let's just copy it. So, there you go, moving it out. So we're moving it out of my phone, so on my iPhone, and we'll move it back into the Digiera SSD. Press copy, and we got our speed icon there as well. If it lets me open it up, please. There you go. Copying 2 items, about a minute, 41 seconds, 37, 35. Look at that. So it says 30 seconds. It's, again, under a minute. That's almost 2 gigabytes file. Super big, long files. Under a minute. It's going to just, as easy as that, just transfer it straight into my my SSD, my Digiera SSD. So we've got about 10 seconds left here now. 12, 11, 10, 9. And it's that quick. It's that quick. It's that easy. It's that convenient. And you can just save so much storage on your phone. If you're like me and you got loads and loads of pictures on your phone, and there we have it, our files are right there. And just to show that it is working and not corrupted, there you go. We're playing it directly off the SSD, and it's working just as fine, no issues. So it is super fast at transferring files from your phone into the SSD, out of the SSD back onto your phone. Super easy, super convenient. If you're like me and you love taking loads of pictures and videos, and you have loads of content, if you're a content creator, or even if you're just a business person who has loads of files and loads of big files, loads of movies, anything, music, whatever you have, to save memory from your actual phone or your laptop, this is super easy, super convenient, and it also keeps your stuff safe as well. So if you're ever in the position where like your phone gets stolen, like God forbid, or your laptop gets stolen, at least all your important files can be backed up on this little SSD, which you can keep safe in your bedroom or in your safe, or in your office, anywhere in a drawer. It's so small, tiny, compact. You can keep it nice and safe, and know that all your favorite or important files are kept safe and secure. So this is it. This is the Digiera SSD. This is the LPS 2000M portable SSD. This is the 1 terabyte version, but you can get it in 3 different sizes. Definitely check it out if you're interested in purchasing it. Link to buy will be down below in the description. If I have any coupon codes or anything like that, I'll also put them down below in the description as well. Definitely check out joybuy.com. I'm going to give it an overall score of 10 out of 10. It does exactly what it's meant to do out of the box. The price is so good. It's such good value for money, and it keeps all my stuff safe and secure. And as always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.